Alright, Teddy, we got you ready to go. Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales with this Stryker SR-447 hpc2 with this for Teddy in Idaho. Got it paired up for a Sweet 16. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Just set it 2 watts all the way so you got full adjustability. And 14 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. 48 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 92 PEP. Okay. So that way you'll cruise along this Sweet 16. You won't have any issues. Keep your SWR 1.5 or less and you'll be good to go, Teddy. Hey man, I appreciate you. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bomb bomb.